Vanguard is a prominent brokerage firm. It is known for its investment management services and a focus on low cost investing. So here are an overview of what Vanguard offers. I want to highlight precisely how you could use the Vanguard platform to invest effectively, either as an investor or even as someone who is inclined towards trading. So we want to classify precisely the characteristics and the benefits you can derive from this platform. Number one is low cost investing. Vanguard is renowned for its low expense ratio on mutual funds and exchange traded funds, making it cost effective, particularly for cost conscious long term investors. When you adopt this particular platform, it's cost effective because at the end of the day, the cost savings will amount to something substantial. Maybe after 10, 15, 20 years, discover that the cost savings you've been able to obtain would really amount to a huge amount of money. Number two, wide range of investments. Wide range of investments. It offers a variety of investment products, including stocks. You talk about bonds, mutual funds, exchange traded funds. They equally provide retirement accounts. So they have a wide range of investment products and services an investor could make use of. Number three, investor education. It provides extensive educational resources, including articles. They provide videos. If you go to YouTube, you can find videos on Vanguard. They provide other tools and also help investors. These tools are designed to help investors make informed decisions as it relates to their trading or investment activities. Number four, retirement accounts. Retirement accounts. So Vanguard offers a range of retirement accounts, which include options like IRAs, talk about the 401k, rollovers, and other tax advantaged accounts. You want to run an account that will not incur so much tax uh, implication, then of course you can go for this particular platform because their offering has that tax advantage, built into them. Number five, research and analysis. This platform provides access to market research. Not only that, investment insights and analysis tools to support informed investing. You have a wide array of research materials. They spend time to research these things, to research individual stocks and other investments as the case may be, and then presents these results, this output to you. So when you utilize them, it will help you to make better investment decisions. Number six is a low fee. Vanguard is known for its low management fees and no commission trades on Vanguard mutual funds and exchange traded funds. When it comes to trading in their ETFs and mutual funds, they are known to, in fact, they're very popular for the low fees they charge. Very low, almost negligible, level of fees, which makes it very attractive to cost conscious investors. Number seven is robo advisor service. Vanguard offers a robo advisor service called Vanguard Personal Advisor Services, which combines automated portfolio management with access to human financial advisors. Robo advisors means it's a kind of automated investment service, like kind of like a robot, advising you. If I should put it that way, you equally have an opportunity of interacting with a real human advisor, advisors that could provide advice based on your investment objective, your time horizon, and your risk tolerance. Please subscribe to this video and give me a thumbs up. It will do me real good. Number 8, account types. Support various account types, including individual brokerage account, which is the main account they have for their clients, individual brokerage accounts as an individual investor. Not only that, you have joint accounts. Two or more people can come together to operate an account. It's called joint accounts. You have retirement account for people who are planning towards retirement, and then trust accounts. Usually trust used to operate this kind of account. So Vanguard makes provision for all these classes of investors and classes of individuals that utilize their services. Number 9, user-friendly platform. Features of a straightforward and intuitive online platform for managing investments, tracking performance, and executing trades. Their interface is user-friendly. Both novice investors and experienced investors can enjoy the experience inherent in using this particular user-friendly interface. And it could give you an opportunity to track the performance of your portfolio, and as well as you could carry out buy and sell mandates, orders, on your securities, and as well as you can manage your investment on this platform. Number 10, strong reputation. As we all know, Vanguard is a reputable company. It was established by the late Jack Bogle. So Vanguard has a long-standing reputation for its focus on investors' interests and its commitment to low cost, long-term investing strategies. The cost here is very low. That's what tends to attract investors and clients to this particular platform. Not only that, they equally promote long-term investing, low cost, long-term investing, which would amount to a larger level of performance at the end of the day. So other additional benefits, when it comes to this platform, includes diversified, fund options, known for its broad range of index funds and ETFs that cater for different investment goals and risk tolerance. They have a large array of mutual fund products and even index funds product, generally index fund products. So you make a choice on which one fits your risk tolerance, your time horizon, and your investment objective as an individual. Not only that, they equally have high quality customer service. They offer robust customer service, customer support, and this support is available through phone or email or the normal, online chats. So Vanguard is well suited for long-term investors looking for low-cost, diversified investment options and a focus on retirement planning. That is what they are really concerned about: low cost, long-term investing, particularly if you are concerned about how you could retire comfortably. This particular platform will go a long way in assisting you.